Well, that obviously, it's a fictional film. Obviously, there's a lot of room to kind of play around with the character. In this, a huge responsibility playing a character who right now is in Toronto. He's here. He's Aamir Raza. I'm playing him in the film. It's a biopic. It's got all those elements where it's just the responsibility of the entire cast and crew to be true to the subject, to be true to the character of what he went through, his inner turmoil, his emotional journey through this. So yeah, it's two different things, and I'm not lip syncing songs in this. So I was in that con film.
Has he seen the film or is he going to be seeing it tonight?
He has seen the film. This is the first time he'll be seeing it on the big screen. He has seen it on the small screen, and that's what I asked him after he saw the film. I was like, there's the audience verdict, there are the critics, and what I'm really concerned about right now is for the first time, I've played a real character. I've played you, so I wanted to just know and just get that sigh of relief that you liked it, and you saw this journey, and this is exactly how whatever you went through. And he said, I just stopped myself from crying in this film. It's He gave me the thumbs up, so he was very happy with it.
Congratulations.